Hello friends, welcome to the Curious Rabbit channel. Today we will take a closer look at the world of cute but dangerous and wild bears. Bears are mammals belonging to the family Ursidae and are found in different species around the world. Bears are generally known for their large body structures, strong claws, and good sense of smell. Bear species include different species such as brown bear, black bear, polar bear, and panda bear. There are different types of bears around the world, the most well-known being brown bears, grizzly bears, polar bears, and black bears. Each species has different characteristics, habitats, and behaviors. Bear habitats often vary. Some species live in forest areas, others in mountainous regions or polar regions. Bears are generally solitary and do not usually live together, although they can sometimes be seen in groups while hunting or feeding. Feeding habits also vary depending on their species. While some bears are carnivorous, for example, polar bears feed on whale carcasses, others may be herbivorous or even omnivorous, both meat and plant-based diets. Bears can sometimes be dangerous when interacting with humans. Therefore, people who encounter bears in their natural habitat or in the wild should be careful and take safe precautions when interacting with them. In addition, bears have an important place in mythological and cultural terms. In many cultures, bears are considered symbols of strength, power, and even divinity. For example, in some Native American cultures, bears are considered sacred and revered. Bears are generally classified as either herbivorous or carnivorous, and their feeding habits can vary depending on their species and the region they live in. Carnivorous bears often hunt fish, small mammals, and even large prey. On the other hand, herbivorous bears feed mostly on fruits, plants, roots, and insects. Bears have a pretty good sense of smell, making it easier for them to find food. Bears are often found during mating season, which usually occurs in spring and summer. Males often compete to attract females, and sometimes this competition can be fierce. Mating usually occurs shortly after, and females usually give birth to their young within a year or two of each other. Hibernation is a strategy bears use to survive the cold winter months. During hibernation, bears' metabolism slows down, their body temperatures drop, and their energy consumption decreases. This helps them minimize food consumption during the winter months and survive using body fat. Bears often feel weak and hungry when waking up from hibernation, so they first go out in search of food. Bears usually give birth during hibernation. Females give birth to their young while waking up from hibernation. Birth usually occurs towards the end of hibernation so that the young can grow during the warmer months. Birth is usually limited to 1 or 2 cubs, and the cubs are highly dependent on their mothers. The cubs are blind and hairy at birth and are closely guarded by their mothers. They continue to stay with their mother for the first few months. Bears can interact with bees in many different ways. They can eat honey, especially by attacking their hives. The main reason why bears have a relationship with honey is its energy density and sweet taste. Honey is a valuable source of energy for bears and can help them prepare for hibernation. Poisonous honey-eating bears can be found especially in some tropical regions. In some areas, honeybees may collect nectar from naturally toxic plants, and the honey they make with this nectar may also be poisonous. This poisonous honey can even be dangerous to local people in some cases. Because bears often seek out high-calorie foods, they may be affected by this poisonous honey. When they eat poison honey, bears, like humans, can show symptoms of poisoning, which can be fatal. This often occurs due to unconscious hunting or human interaction in natural habitats. Therefore, this species can pose a serious danger to humans and bears who encounter poisonous honey-eating bears. Here's what to do when encountering a bear. Stay calm and don't panic. Stand back, but do not make sudden movements or run away. Walk backwards slowly. Be quiet and don't talk to the bear. Be visible. Show yourself by raising your hands up. Share the space and give way to the bear. Be prepared and prepared to defend yourself. Remember, bear encounters are rare and usually avoidable. It is important to be cautious in bears' natural habitats. Thanks for watching us. If you like this kind of content, follow the rabbit.